Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Jeep Renegade. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to the system, whatever it's on, so nav there, and we need, you will be tempted to click this. That looks like a menu or the settings button, but what you have to do is go to phone. There's nothing connected at the moment, so it's come straight up onto this screen. No phone connected, pair phone, yes. Start pairing phone or other Bluetooth device. Vehicle device name, Uconnect. Let's just go back to that. Uconnect showed up here. Pin is 8141. So we'll click on there and we'll click accept. Now, it's generated a random pin, so you don't need that 8141. So we'll click pair there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow Bluetooth pairing in progress. It's showing it's connected there. My watch has just buzzed, which usually means that the phone's connected. Bluetooth pairing successful, Barry's iPhone 12. This device supports audio and phone. Okay, that's it. And it's also saying to talk to Siri, press and hold the voice button on the steering wheel, like so. So again, you can make calls, you can tell your phone to do anything, to play stuff.